Hello everyone, I am Neng Selfie from 7th semester of class 7D, and now I will explain to you about one of the most enjoyable and effective teaching innovation. This is the games-based learning or GBL. And so, what is game-based learning? Game-based learning is a teaching approach that uses digital or traditional games to help students learn through play, challenges, or reward. It combines educational content with game method or game mechanic such as point or levers, and the main idea is that when students are engaged in a game, they are not only playing but also learning actively, effectively, solving problem and practicing language skill without feeling pressure because they are playing a game. For the example is activity guess the vocabulary using clue. So in this activity, students work in small group, and each group listen or read several clues about a word related to the lesson topic. For example, when the topic is food, one of groups say the clue such as it is yellow, it is sweet, and monkey love it, and the other group must quickly discuss and try to guess the answer. And the first group that guesses correctly gets a point. At the end of the session, the group with the most point becomes the winner. These simple games encourage listening, vocabulary recall, and teamwork. It is also helps students build confidence because they are participating and speaking English naturally while playing. Even students who are usually shy becomes more active because the activity feels like a game, not a test. And beside the traditional games, there are some digital games such as Kahoot, quizzes, or word wall to reveal vocabulary and grammar after each lesson. These games are very popular among students, especially young learners, because they can use their phones and complete in real time. The colorful design, sound, and leaderboard motivate them to learn to do their best. Okay, and next is the benefit of game-based learning. So, what are the benefits of game-based learning? There are many benefits of using game-based learning in English classroom. First is increase student motivation and engagement. When learning feels like a game, students enjoy the process and want to participate more. And the second is make learning interactive and fun. Instead of just listening to the teacher, students are actively doing something such as thinking, guessing, competing, or collaborating. And third is encourage teamwork and healthy competition. In group games, students learn to communicate and to take turn and support one another atau each person, each group. And the last is improve memory retention. When students learn through repetition and excitement, they tend to remember the vocabulary or grammar pattern longer. In other words, the learning experience stay in their mind because it's connected to positive emotion. Okay, besides the benefits, there are some challenge. Like any teaching method, game-based learning also has some challenge. First is teacher need time to design and prepare effective games. Creating a fun but meaningful activity requires planning, making clues, designing questions, or preparing digital quizzes. It is take a long time for teacher. And second is some student might focus more on winning than learning. And sometimes they get too competitive and forget the real goals is to learn English, not just to get the point. As a teacher, I think we need to balance both, keeping the game fun while still focusing on learning outcomes. This can be done by giving clear instruction and emphasizing teamwork and language use rather than only scores. So, the conclusion is game-based learning is not just about playing games, it is about using the power of games to make learning more meaningful, interactive, and enjoyable. So that's why I believe game-based learning is one of the most effective innovation for today English language classroom. And thank you for your attention. I'm Neng Selfie. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.